Well, I want them.
We have beer, red horse, flavored beer light,
Oh yeah. What kind of flavor beer you have?
lemon and apple.
Oh, you want the apple, huh?
No, I want the lemon.
The lemon.
The lemon. And
Let me
for you?
San Miguel, right?
Okay, sure.
And yeah, but I want a mojito.
We could make the mojito because we don't have a fresh mint.
Oh, can you make like the sunrise, tequila sunrise?
Sunrise.
Yeah. Okay.
So one Pilsen and then tequila sunrise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Alright, so the Cinnamon bar is right here. As you can see, if you walk down the street right here, it's about 100 meters. You're right here at the white sand. This is the beach. There's more resorts right here that you can check out by the beach. Um, you're within walking distance from the supermarket, so you can go buy fish, shrimp, whatever. You can cook it in your room. There's also the food center. You just walk up to the lady, you tell her what you want, and you could take it with you or you could sit down and eat it. This is where I used to go and buy lumpia. That's definitely a good place to visit if you're around the area. Um, they also have more restaurants around here, J&B Cafe. But this is the bar. More pictures of the bar. Food. The food is great. The drinks are okay. They also have rooms that you can rent. The prices are reasonable. Check them out. If you like the video, like and subscribe for more future tips on your travels. Thank you.
What a beautiful view. What? So, baby, tell them what we're doing
We're here for, because Harold wants to drink.
here. Harold wants to drink. No, 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 no. She says she wants a San Miguel with lemon. I mean, lime flavor. This battery is gonna die already. Oh no.
I thought you want Pilsen and also tequila sunrise. So you don't want Pilsen? It's okay.
Oh no, just well, that's fine. That's fine. You gonna bring tequila sunrise? You can
Yes, I
make.
will also make the tequila sunrise. I asked you that if you have one lemon and then also the San Miguel Pilsen or tequila sunrise.
No tequila sunrise. That's fine. I'll drink it. Don't worry. I'm not gonna. That's fine. Look at that cutie. Oh, natural beauty.
Oh my god.
What? That should be me. Let me see how many batteries I brought, because this one is gonna die. Oh, I hope I brought two. You having fun over there?
Yeah.
I can see. Ah, oh, it's over here. Oh my god.
What?
I didn't bring none of the batteries. What the hell? I thought I put them in here. Oh my god, babe.
Go back home.
Oh my god. But I grabbed them. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to get them. We're gonna have to go home and get them. Yeah, because I'm not gonna be able to record anything.
I like this one.
And the battery. Why you like that one? Why don't you like this one?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Can't believe I forgot the batteries. I thought I put them in here.
We're getting old, you know.